Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Chase Credit Journey, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Chase Credit Journey website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage and click on it. You will be directed to a registration page. Begin by entering your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Next, confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Fill in the additional required information, such as your date of birth and social security number. Once you've completed all fields, read the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your agreement. Now, click on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive an email confirmation from Chase Credit Journey. Check your inbox and open the confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Chase Credit Journey website. Log in using your email address and the password you created earlier. You will be taken to your dashboard, where you can explore various features. Select your preferences for receiving alerts about your credit score and other updates. Make sure to save your settings before exiting. Explore your dashboard to manage your credit journey effectively. Utilize the available resources to keep track of your credit health. Congratulations on completing your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.